Hey friends, if you encounter the Intel Wi-Fi 6 AX201 driver error on Surface, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the newer version of Microsoft Surface does have the Wi-Fi 6 standard, so you should not worry about it. But to be on the safer side, here's what you can try. First of all, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and type the command ncpa.cpl. Why? Because it may be a Surface 6, but what if the Wi-Fi adapter is switched off? So right click on it, and if enable is written here, then make sure that it is enabled. Okay, there should be a green tick. This said, the next thing is that we have to update the Wi-Fi adapters. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Okay, and then you can expand the list for network drivers. Right click on media, take wire Wi-Fi, and then you can search automatically for drivers. Now here's the thing, it should be mentioned Wi-Fi 6 standard or Wi-Fi 7 standard or any standard later to Wi-Fi 6 if something pops up in the future, because if it's a lower standard, it means that you have an older version of Microsoft Surface and that will not work. And this is all you can do. Obviously, the last option is to buy a network, an external Wi-Fi adapter. So if you have a very old service device, then just go to amazon.com or any other online platform. Okay, and then we will enter the code. Okay, and then we can search for an external Wi-Fi adapter. I'll tell you which one to buy. Don't buy these ones. They're just expensive and they're not required. Buy this one, the one signal one, or buy this TP-Link one. It doesn't cost much and it is good enough for the job. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.